2, 3.
Hey, this is Rob with Lukat Detail Products. Check out this van truck, man. It's a 47 International side panel. But look at the paint job. That's the original paint job on that thing. And look what we're gonna do with Lukat Detail. Bring it over here. I want to show you guys what Lukat Fix It can do. So, Lukat Fix It, remember, put it on me. Lukat Fix It is not a wax, it's a cleaner. So we advocate that before you wax your paint job, clean it. So you see how it looks right here? Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. It's called Lukat Fix It. There's no shine in this product. It's a cleaner. When you put it on, the purpose of this is to remove buildup, contamination, and oxidation. Here's the best part. Because it's not a rubbing compound, you don't have to rub hard. You just go back and forth with some light pressure. The whole idea here is to clean. So this paint job is beautiful. And we don't want to wax it, we want to clean it first 100% without removing it. If you use a rubbing compound, you run the chance of fish-eyeing the paint job or going right through it. Do it like this, you're simply going to remove the buildup and bring it right back to its original state. Look at that. Get a shot of that. Look how beautiful that came out. Now remember, we only cleaned it, we didn't wax it. So you use Lukat Fix It to clean it. Go on to walk around, take a look at it. As I look, do a step back. Okay, so now we cleaned it. We're gonna go ahead and wax it with Easy Wax. Now Easy Wax is a different kind of wax. Most waxes, when you buy them, they're all about shine. Easy Wax is about maintaining the state of the clear. So this wax right here is carnauba with polymer and copolymer conditioners. When you use this, you want to use it to keep the paint job in the original state. So when you use this, you use it to always bring it back. When you start getting swirls, start getting water stains, you want to use the wax to bring it back to that solid state. And if you guys got water stains on your paint jobs or glass, use the Fix It, the first one that I used. Look how beautiful that looks. Isn't that amazing? And that's permanent, doesn't wash off. Hey on. Go ahead and shoot her down. We're gonna do another